next window project is that one right there. That's what we want to tackle this time, and it needs a good amount of work. Just went to the barn to get a piece of plywood. We're gonna cut the plywood to fit on the outside of the window so we can take the window out, put the plywood up so we don't get any snow and rain or whatever kind of weather patterns flow this way. So his current status right now is freezing. So this is the next one from the inside of the house view. So it's in pretty bad shape. It's got a broken pane of glass here, and then it's coming apart up here. So we're gonna have to get pretty medieval on it to get that to go back together right. So that's going to be probably a few week project. So I'm out of breath from going up the steps with the plywood. Getting old sucks. What are you doing? I was just giving a rundown of the window stuff that I have to do in here. I was. Well, I am now, yeah.
I was just trying to creep you out.
Well, that was a lot of fun getting out. So I'm gonna crawl out on the roof there, take some measurements to cut my panel, a plywood panel to cover the window with. You can see just how bad a shape this one's in. So the glass is practically falling out of it. So we got a lot of work to do. Julie has finally trimmed everything out, which was a painstaking, month and a half process.
Something like that.
She's finally putting paint on the wall. Congratulations, love.
Thanks.
All right, so outside, the window is arched. So my plywood had to craft a handy dandy giant protractor device. So hopefully this will work. I can just go like this, trace out the line, and we'll be able to have a nice fit on this piece of plywood. Julie's going to demonstrate.
That's fun. Can I go back around again?
You can go around as many times as you
Can I
want.
go the other direction? Just for...
No, just this way.
Aw, come on.
There's Banjo. Oh, that's there you go. Nice job, love.
Thanks.
Now you get to cut it.
Really? I can?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, where's the saw?
I don't
get
know.
to use the saw?
Yeah, but I have to find it first. I don't know where it went. It's probably in the barn or something somewhere.
Heck yeah, I'll cut it.
All right.
If you did, it might not be a good idea, but...
Love you.
Love you.
I headed to the barn to go get the jigsaw so I can cut the plywood out. So the last time I saw my jigsaw, it's been a few years, and I'm not even sure it still works. So might have to break the chainsaw out. Yeah. All right, so we got the plywood in. The way we had to do it is kind of important because we had to put it on from the inside. So I had to put some cleats around the window and then hold it and screw it from the inside, because when we go to do the other windows behind me, there's nowhere to stand out there. So I wanted to test this out to make sure I could block these windows off from the inside, so we could get to those. We're going to put a little sealant around that, some seal and peel, and that'll hold up until we get that window done and get it back in. All right, have a good one. So with a better light in here, you can kind of get an idea of how bad off this window was. There's absolutely no glazing left on it. The bottom end is all loose, and the glass was practically at the point where it was just ready to kind of fall out. So there's some pieces we have to redo here, and we'll handcraft whatever we need to get her going.